Good morning, everybody. Phew, what a mess we got over here in Kitchen Stadium. I'm in here wondering why is the ceiling coming down on me? Gradually, the whole thing is sinking to the ground. I hope we're not getting overwhelmed by brightness there. But today is a day that I want to work on restoring Kitchen Stadium because, well, let's take a look at. How it's being held together. This was put up in early December of 2021, and this is like the last, I want to call it normal corner here. You see what it should look like. You got the joint there, the three-way joint, and it's going to get progressively worse. This is still okay here. It's, kind of holding together. We got this blobby mess here, which is holding pretty good because I have it suspended up here, so that's not really going to go anywhere. But up here, I know y'all are laughing there. So we need to get this raised. Some reason or another, this is bent. I guess it's okay. Thank goodness for hose clamps, right? I got that held together over there. This thing has really been through the mill. And then, as if that's not ugly enough, well, let me tell you, it starts to get real ugly over here at this triple joint, held up by the paint can here. Hooray! Got the angel of glorious flight. This is separating here. This is taking a beating. Right, and it's all golf clubs holding it together right now. So I think what I need to do, and it's bad over on this corner too, is I need to carefully take this stuff down and see about doing some repair work over here. So I need to get like the lights down and all that and get this down. I did pick up some new material that I'll show you. First, I picked up some clamps which will help us get this, once we get this all pulled up and stuff, if we need to clamp, say, the outer protective surface to it, we can just put a clamp in there like so. And I also got some underground conduit sheathing here, and this is pretty much semi-rigid, so I'm hoping this is going to do the job over there. Yeah, they'll have a little bit of a bend in it, but it's going to definitely be better than what I have now. I want to use that across the very back, and I think that's got to be about 10 feet to make that go. So I think this is going to be okay. So the first order of business is to deconstruct. First thing I need to do is see if that's about as high as this is going to get. I don't know what happened. I might have to carefully untape that and retie that. Same thing with that point too. This is the most important one, so I think I'll get the ladder here, and this will set the height for what we need, and then we'll take it from there. I think that's pretty good. I got both of those hanging points raised up higher here, so that looks pretty good. It's about where it should be. To get that up higher, and the higher the slope, the easier the rain runs off. So I want to take a look at, start deconstructing this end down here. This is fairly good. This is just a safety tape here. But this is a little, we're losing some width here, but what a mess this thing is. I'm kind of afraid to take that apart, since it's kind of held together now. It hasn't really given any problem or anything, but it's beautiful. Pretty complicated when you create a total mess due to your high level of skill. My only skill is bubble gum and wrapping paper and sticks. just in case you may think me very skillful. And, well, I can do things on the fly, but look at this baby. Here, we're going to free the, what is this? What is this, what is that? That's an 8-iron? Nobody ever uses an 8-iron anyway, right? So gradually deconstructing this. Try not to smash any bulbs today. This is really old school here. This one has been here since about 2017 or so. So just trying to be a little careful. I'm going to get rid of this old green here. You know, green wire, different colored lights. They just, a lot of them have water in the bottom of it. What a mess. I don't know why they didn't make them better. Thank you, China. If we ever have a Rancho Hall of Fame, I hope this cross member on the back end, what used to be there, will be enshrined. Look at this for a work of art. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Still could maybe get some use out of some of the original metal, but we will see. We're in the deep end of the pool now, guys, so I would like, if I'm going to do this rebuild, I would like to reach a point where I get rid of this up and down member here that sits on top of the goofy paint can that you've all come to know and love. So I'm going to try to get up here, get the ladder in position, and get a outrigger here that we can use to suspend from this point here and get rid of the pole. So I'm gonna probably try to do that now. Wow, this is like, whew, it's like putting toothpaste back in the tube today. Hoping we can accomplish the goal of getting rid of that beautiful paint can support there, and I think we're well on our way. Yeah, it still looks like a mess down here, but if you go inside, I was able to get up there and get on that, create a support point there. This is very important for rainy weather too, because when rain collects, if we don't have some strong way of holding this up, then it can collapse internally. So you can see inside now, just on having one tied off, I don't want to say support, suspension over there, which I've not completed yet because we need to do the two outrigger corners. I think you can see it's coming along as a much better configuration. Now putting off the first side of support for the side wing here, gone down to that leg. And I'm going to square up that corner over there and bring the bring those two, that top piece and the bottom support together there. Making pretty good progress today. It's going to be nice to not have that. I'm going to miss the paint can. You getting excited? I am. Woo! Look at that. It's a lot cleaner a corner than it used to be. And we'll be prepared for the cross member here. It's now time to get this side up, and we will be addressing the cross member here. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm getting excited. Yeah, I know I get excited about small stuff because I'm an idiot. Yep, putting the cross member up, isn't that looking a lot cleaner? Phoo! Yeah, it'll be a little sag, but that's fine. We'll get Kitchen Stadium sign on there. And we'll get that clamped in so that's well supported and level, but how exciting. Yeah, you can tell this got a little bit chewed up. And to have a totally open air under here. Yeah, we need to put some more tape on, but this should continue to give us, what's up, bird? Should continue to give a lot more good service. I can't believe it. It looks so different and going to be such a nice vantage point now without the pole, although we'll all miss the paint can and everything. I know, but this is going to be good. I'm going to need to probably bring this one in a little bit too, pulling here because we want the rain to come off. So I'll probably I have another clamp. Thank goodness I got the right number of clamps. I also want to start to clean up to finish the job. It's going to make me very happy to be out here. The finished product, what a difference, eh? The call to the paint can is over. And I think we'll get some more use out of Kitchen Stadium. Now it has multiple points of suspension, which is great. It'll help it stay up in inclement windy weather, which is fantastic. We have a better sight line now for cooking and demonstration, and well, I couldn't be happier. For 25 bucks, 30 bucks of material and clamps, I think we are good to go. And goodness knows, okay, that's still a little but goodness knows it sure looks a lot better with a lot better alignment to it. So all right, I want to thank you for being along on another I Can Make It Like New. Well, not quite like new, but I think pretty good, and I am very happy. So we're gonna have many more enjoyable nights in Kitchen Stadium, and I'm so glad that you guys are always a part of it. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications. We always try to have good fun here. Thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks, everybody. Mwah.